This coding question was given during one of my interviews for a $180,000 salary position. So given a 2D matrix containing X and O's, capture all the regions that are surrounded by X. Let's say we're given this example, we have the following region that is surrounded by X. And we can capture the region by setting all the values to X. Let's go over the thought process. The only cells that cannot be captured are the O's that are at the borders. Now that means any region that contains a border cell cannot be captured. We can perform a depth first search from the border to find all the connected cells. Let's break this question down into two parts. We can first set all the cells that are connected to the borders to Y. Then we can perform a full scan on the matrix, converting O to X and Y to O. Let's go over the code, create our 2D matrix for the 4 directions, implement a function solve taking the input board, convert all the O's connected to the borders, and then flip the cells. Let's iterate through the first row and the last row to convert all the O's to Y, and then iterate through the first column and the last column to convert the cells. Let's implement the depth first search function, row, column, and our board. If our current cell is out of bound or does not contain an O, return from the recursive call. Set the current cell to Y, iterate through the 4 directions, and then convert all the O's to Y. Now let's flip the cells, iterate through the cells, convert all the O's to X and all the Y's to O.